Hi, my name is Sage, and this is this 20-second video of farming. Uh, I make this video once a week to keep track of the growth of the corn that I planted. Alright, we're gonna water the plants real quick, then we're gonna take a closer look of the corn. Okay, so here we are. Um, gonna adjust the height. The camera real quick. Alright, so we're ready. Alright, so this is just one of the not sure if you can see it from here. So let's go over here. Alright, so this is one of the corn over here. See that? So it's almost grocery size. So I've never harvested corn before, so I don't know when to harvest it, but I think we're really close. So whenever I whenever I water these corns regularly, I can barely see the growth of it. But I guess if I watch the videos that I made before this, because I remember these corns over here are, if anything, it has pink hair. Now it's now it's like now it's yellow, and it actually looks like corn now. So it's pink and then it's yellow. It's a little bit smaller than the ones in the grocery. So I think I'm gonna wait till it looks like the ones in the grocery, then I'm gonna pick it up. But it's really nice to have these over here. If you like what you see, you should definitely do it. It's better. Okay, so gonna close the video now. So for this part of the video, we're definitely focusing on the size of the corn, not the height of the plant. I think the height of the plant is like that because I've seen in the movies they can grow, to an average, grow to the point that it's like an average sized person, the height of it. And then you pick up the corn like that. But I think this is the actual height of the corn plant. But we'll see. We'll figure out as we keep making these videos. We'll figure out how tall it can get and how big the corn can grow. All right. So. For backyard size farming, what I recommend is a pair of leathers and pickaxe. But anything bigger than that, gotta use some kind of equipment. And then for a farm size, tractor. Alright, so I'm gonna do a quick picture shot of the farm then we're gonna close the video, and I'll see you next week. Alright, so my name is Sage, and this is me farming. Alright, I'll see ya. Bye. Okay, so by the way, today is June 8, 2020. Alright, so it's really sunny outside, but sometimes it gets really hot in here. And I just wear this jacket for the duration of the video. I'm not really wearing this jacket when it gets sunny outside. Alright, I'll see you next week. Bye.